Back up this way a little bit, everybody. Okay, so a couple more slow so John can understand it. When he starts going, it's going to be very fast. Exactly. All right, ready? All right, I want. That was your practice. I want 6 of them. I want full speed, full power. I want to hear some noise.
Well, is he counting or you just?
Okay, you count.
1,
Hey!
2,
Hey!
3,
Hey!
4,
Hey!
5,
Hey!
6.
Hey!
All right, switch sides.
Hey!
Because I know everybody here wants to see that. No. There you go. Do 3 more on this side.
1,
Hey!
2,
Hey!
3,
Hey!
Switch.
Hey!
5 on that side.
1,
Hey!
Different way to hold it, John. Is harder on that side, yes.
2,
Hey!
Turn that right one.
3,
Hey!
4,
Hey!
5.
Hey!
Switch.
Hey!
Now stay there, John.
Yes, sir.
Actually move, kind of angle it that way. Right about there, good. Okay, so here's what I want. Now, you're gonna have to hold the pad very tight, John.
Yes, sir.
With the right pad, you can do a rich hand strike,
Sir.
and you're gonna follow just with a regular round kick. So what you got to do is you got to hold that right pad for a rich hand strike. Back up, give them about mid-chest distance for the roundhouse kick. Exactly. Back up quickly.
Yes, sir. Do you want me to step in?
No, just slow the ridge and then slow the round.
Yes, sir.
Do 5 of them.
Yes, sir. 1,
Hey! Arthur!
2,
Hey, sir! Arthur!
3,
Hey, sir! Arthur!
4,
Hey, sir! Arthur!
5.
Hey, sir! Arthur!
All right. Hold it right there. Back to. Okay, I want back fist. Throw the back fist to the air.
Sir.
Throw the hammer fist to the pad, and then he's going to do double rounds. Can you hold for that?
Positioning, sir.
So basically, he's going to throw a back fist to the air. You're going to hold the pad kind of downward, so you can do a hammer fist on that. And then you're going to back up, and he's going to throw double rounds, exactly. I do one slow, so Don can understand it.
Hey! Hey, sir! Ah!
There you go. 5 of them.
Hey! Hey, sir! Hey!
2,
Hey! Hey, sir! Hey!
3,
Hey, sir! Hey!
4,
Hey, sir! Hey!
5.
Hey, sir! Hey!
And come on. Very good. Thank you, John. Al, praise. Give a hand, everybody. Tell me the black belt pledge.
Black belt pledge. It's dedicated black belts of martial arts. We live by our black belt pledge. Honesty, integrity, perseverance, self-control, and dominable spirit, sir.
Did I teach you the color code of awareness?
Yes, sir. But Jason taught me a little bit, sir.
Did you learn it though?
White belt, oblivious. Yellow belt.
Well, not belt, just white, yellow, orange, red. Did he teach you that?
A little bit, sir, but
All right, don't worry about it. What does discipline mean?
discipline. Come to class on time. Wear a clean uniform. Learn something new every day, sir.
Dedicated,
To devote or apply oneself to a purpose or a goal, sir.
motivated,
To have the inner drive to reach towards that goal, sir.
quest for the best.
Seek and pursue one's excellent objectives, sir.
Outstanding. Good job.